Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled you're joining us today. Today, our word is billion. It's an A2 level number, and it means 1,000 million. So, billion represents a very, very large number. We often encounter it when discussing large populations, significant financial figures, or even astronomical distances. Let's look at how we use billion in everyday language. Imagine someone is talking about the population of the world. They might say, the world's population is nearly 8 billion people. This gives you an idea of the scale of what we mean when we use the word billion. Now, let's look at some synonyms. A close synonym for billion is thousands of millions. For example, we could say, the company made thousands of millions in profit. Another synonym could be a very large number. We can say, the cost of the project is a very large number. These all convey the immensity associated with billion. Now, let's explore some antonyms. Because billion is such a large number, antonyms would be words representing much smaller quantities. One antonym is hundred. For example, the donation was only a few $100s, not a billion. Another antonym could be 10. They only had 10 apples, not a billion. These examples highlight the contrast in scale. How can we use billion in everyday life? If someone talks about a popular social media platform, they might mention it has billions of users worldwide. In the news, you might hear about a $1 billion budget for a specific program. Even in everyday conversations, if someone is exaggerating, they might say, I've told you 1 billion times. This clearly isn't literal, but emphasizes repetition. Here are some more usage examples. The company's net worth is estimated to be over $5 billion. Another one. There are billions of stars in our galaxy. One more. The project will cost £1 billion. To recap, billion is an A2 level number representing 1,000 million. It is used to describe extremely large numbers, often in finance, populations, and science. We also looked at synonyms like thousands of millions and a very large number, and antonyms like 110. We explored how it's used in daily conversations and even expressions. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this exploration of the word billion useful. If you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe to our podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover our show and learn new words. Finally, I would love to hear how you might use the word billion. Share your own sentence using billion in the comments section below. Have a wonderful day, and I will catch you next time on Hello Word.